Hello everybody, I am Shomu Gandhigiri. Welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss some important drug and its specific adverse drug reaction. Okay, so let's start. Here the name of the drugs will be here and the adverse drug reactions will be here. Okay, I am writing the first class of drug, like your first is tetracycline. And the most important adverse drug reaction regarding tetracycline is your liver. First is your liver toxicity, then is your nephrotoxicity, and regarding this nephrotoxicity you should remember that doxycycline having minimum nephrotoxic in nature. Okay, so you should remember this point. Okay, number 2, coming to the next drug regarding your tetracycline. Okay, next drug is your demeclocycline, and the most important adverse drug reaction regarding demeclocycline is your phototoxicity. And one point you should also remember that doxycycline also produce phototoxicity, but demeclocycline has the highest phototoxicity. Okay, then number 3 is your number 3 is your minocycline. And the most important adverse drug reaction regarding minocycline is your vestibular toxicity. Number 4, coming to your aminoglycosides. Okay, so all aminoglycosides are nephrotoxic and as well as phototoxic. Okay, next important drug and its adverse drug reactions are like your expired tetracycline produces Fanconi syndrome. It is important. Okay, then coming to your next drug like chloramphenicol. Most important adverse drug reaction regarding chloramphenicol is 2 are there. One is your bone marrow depression, and another is your gray baby syndrome. Okay, next important drug is your isoniazid, and 2 important adverse drug reaction regarding isoniazid is there. One is your peripheral neuritis. Okay, and another is your very common, it is hepatitis. So peripheral neuritis is very important, and one vitamin B6 or pyridoxine is used along with isoniazid to prevent this kind of adverse drug reaction, and it is very important, frequently asked in your exam. Then coming to the next drug, rifampicin. Okay, so most important adverse drug reaction regarding rifampicin is one is hepatitis and another is your respiratory syndrome. And this respiratory syndrome is rare but severe. Okay. Then coming to the next drug, last drug is your ethambutol. And the most important adverse drug reaction regarding ethambutol is optical neuritis. And see, optical neuritis in case of ethambutol and in case of isoniazid peripheral neuritis. Okay, this is the end of our video. Hope you have learned well, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.